this video series, I am sharing 3 great new journaling tools from Clever Fox. We have the Positivity Journal, Bucket List Journal, and Gratitude Journal. Make sure you watch all 3 videos to check out all 3 journals. These beautiful journals were provided to me by Clever Fox, and you can shop their store with a 10% off coupon. Use code TPC10 to get 10% off your order. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, we are going to open up and flip through the Positivity Journal from Clever Fox. Let's check out the Positivity Journal. Let's check out the Clever Fox Positivity Journal, Master the Art of Positive Thinking. Now, I think this one is an A5. Yes, this one they call medium. It's a little bit smaller, and I believe these two are both A5 size. Let's see if it says that it is on here. This one says A5 on it, and this one doesn't say A5, but maybe it's a tiny bit bigger. Okay, this one is A5. This one is just a tiny bit bigger in length this way, and then this one is just a tiny bit smaller in width, actually. So, but they're all very close to A5 size, just for reference. So this one comes with 120 GSM, very good paper. You can practice daily gratitude and affirmations, support a positive and self-aware mindset, learn more about what makes you happy, journal about your feelings and experiences, and develop habits that promote your well-being. They come in lots of really pretty colors. This one is rose gold, and certain ones come with certain stickers and different sticker sheets. So you want to check out each one and see what kind of stickers they come with. This one comes with a page of functional stickers and page of I guess quotes or headers, positivity, and then really cute decorative positivity stickers as well. And these are all paper stickers. It has a pocket in the back for your goodies, whatever you want to put in there. In the front, it has instructions on how to use the Positivity Journal, like a sample for you on the daily pages, how to use the habit trackers. I usually skip all that stuff because I kind of want to do my own thing, but if you need it, it is in there. It has your name page in the front, and it starts right in with the habit tracker. Let's move this over here. It starts here with habit tracker pages. Let's flip a little bit. I want to see like what kind of, okay, so it has like your habit tracker in the front for all of your different habits. And it looks like this one, let's see how many months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-month journal if you're going to use it every day. For the habit tracker in the front, you just write in things that you want to have habits every day, and then you can color in or check off the box or put a sticker in the box on the habit tracker. And then each day you write the day and date, what you're grateful for, excited about, proud of, positive affirmation, what object am I happy to have in my life and why, some space for journaling. Ooh, I love quotes. So they have like famous quotes at the bottom. I want to see if they're different, and it looks like they are, which I love how they're different on the different pages so you don't get bored, and it gives you new prompts every day. I love this. Okay, let's start at the beginning, and I'm going to fill out one of these journal pages and then come right back. So it gives you your whole 90 days of journal, daily positivity journaling prompts. And what's in the back? Reflect and set intentions. Reflect and set intentions for the future. See, and what these are really great about doing, I'm kind of excited about all 3. Make sure you watch all 3 videos. I love journaling, and I love, because I tend to get very detail oriented and pessimistic. I need this in my life to help me stay positive and focus on the good things. And I love journaling in the morning. So I'm excited about using all 3 of these journals. Let me go ahead and fill out the first page, and then I will come right back. Okay, you know, the paper's really good. It writes just perfectly fine with my favorite pens, which are the Villa Beautiful Crystal VB pens. There's a link in the description box for those, as well as the Clever Fox planners. This one is priced on sale right now for $19.99, and the shipping is so fast. Let's look at today's quote. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Aristotle. See, I love those. I'm so excited about this. You guys don't understand. I do journaling every day already, but I often have no idea what to write, and I'm trying to think of things that are positive, gratitude, bucket list, all these kind of things. But it's hard to come up with what to journal about every day if you don't assign yourself something. Even though I have lots of prompts, and I've even taught a journaling class. So I love that there are prompts for every day in here, and there's a bookmark to hold your place, a ribbon bookmark. I love it, absolutely love it. This one has a rose gold, like matte, shiny cover to it. Really pretty, and they come in lots of colors. So make sure if you enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up button. Check out the other 2 videos in the series and let me know how you like your journal from Clever Fox. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned for the next 2 videos in the series so you can check out all the beautiful journals from the Clever Fox.